Hello students, welcome back. In this lecture we are going to discuss about some miscellaneous quick questions which is MCQ, which is very important for the examination point of view. So let's get started. Now we are going to solve some quick miscellaneous questions which is important, and it's very quick short answer questions. MCQ. The Earth's gravitational pull is just balanced by the centripetal force results into. So this is the Earth gravitational pull is just balanced by the centripetal force. So gravitational mg, or this is the centripetal force, so m omega square r. So this, if this is balanced, means weightlessness. There is no force, so weightlessness results in weightlessness. So the next part is, next question. An astronaut or other body in the spacecraft is said to be weightlessness or state of zero gravity. Means there is no force, means no acceleration. This is mg, this is m omega square r. This is the spacecraft. Okay, so here F net is equal to 0. So g, or acceleration is equal to F net by m is equal to 0. Since F is equal to 0, that's why state of zero gravity. Next question. Astronauts experience weightlessness when their spacecraft is orbiting around the circle, orbiting around the axis, orbiting around the sun, orbiting around the earth, because this is the earth and this is mg and this is m omega square r. For earth only this will be mg, okay, because for other planets g will be changed. So orbiting around the earth will be the answer. Next, an artificial gravity can be created in the spacecraft by spinning it around Earth's axis, by spinning it around its own axis, by rotating it around the Earth axis, by spinning it around Moon axis. So this is the Earth, this will be mg and this will be m omega square r. So if it rotates around the Earth, it will always, both are balanced. Okay, so this is not the answer. If rotating around the Earth will not be the answer. Spinning it around the Moon doesn't matter, it also not done. So the spinning it around its own axis. So if it's rotate around the own axis, just like Earth, so it will create some rotational motion. So due to this rotation, there is a gravity will be created. Okay, due to rotation there is a gravity. There is a gravity due to the rotation or spinning on its around its own axis. Spinning because not rotating, spinning because this have to like this around the Earth. Okay, so this is the answer. Now, weight of a body is a vector, scalar, negative, none. Which type of quantity it is? Weight. The unit of weight is Newton. Okay, so that's why vector. Okay, it's a vector quantity. Weight is a vector quantity. That's all. It is a miscellaneous quick questions. So that's all. Thank you. So student, you have seen these questions are small but tricky. This can be used in examination as a concept, since weight is not a scalar quantity, it is a vector quantity. So most of the students confuse weight with mass. So like that, all these questions are very much important for the examination point of view. So in the next video we are going to discuss about some previous year IIT-JEE question. So stay tuned. Thank you.